cAlgo lets you build powerful robots that trade automatically based on technical analysis signals. To bring up a list of robots, or cbots as they're called in cAlgo, select the Robots tab from the left-hand side of the platform. You'll see a complete list of all available algorithms. You can search through your cbots by typing into the search box. The list will be filtered to show only robots that match your search term. To create a new cbot, click Add. The new robot will appear at the bottom of the robots list where you can type in a name and press Enter to save. You can begin editing your cbot immediately using cAlgo's code editor in the main window. To change which cbot you're editing, simply select a different one from the list. To start using a robot, you'll first need to create a new instance by selecting Add an Instance from the cbot menu, or clicking the plus icon and choosing a currency pair. The chart for the symbol will appear in the main window, and you'll see a number of different parameters to set according to the options specified in the cbot source. In our example of a sample martingale robot, let's change the initial volume, stop loss, and choose a new time frame for the chart. To start trading with the cbot, click the blue play button in the instance or on the chart. The robot can be written to run at every tick or every bar, and in this instance we have a market order that is triggered right away. To stop the cbot, click the stop icon. If you have multiple robots running at the same time, you can stop all of them at once using the Stop All button next to the search bar. As you'll notice, clicking stop won't close any orders, but will stop the robot from running, which means that it won't automatically open or close any more orders. You can still close the position manually though by clicking the rate for the position underneath the close column. You can add as many instances of any cbot as you like and have them run at the same time. To remove an instance of a robot, go to Remove an Instance from the cbot menu and choose the instance you want to remove. When you make changes to a cbot source code, it's important to remember to rebuild the indicator before adding a new instance in order for the changes to take effect. Notice this white build icon. When you make a change to the source, you'll notice a red asterisk appear on the icon, as well as a white asterisk next to the cbot name, indicating that changes have been made since the last build. To use the most current version of the source, you'll need to click the build icon again before running the robot. If there are no errors in your code, you'll see a build successful message at the bottom of the platform, and the icon will return to its original state. You can then add a new instance of the cbot with all changes applied. Instances created before the most recent build will not be affected. Sometimes when you make changes to the source, you won't want to build the changes immediately, but still save your edits to continue working on them at a later time. You can save the source without having to build over the current cbot by clicking Save from the cbot menu or pressing Ctrl S on your keyboard. Changes are now saved, but not applied. You can also quickly duplicate your cbot source by selecting Duplicate from the menu. The duplicate will appear at the bottom of the list. Give it a new name by choosing Rename from the menu or using the F2 shortcut on your keyboard. You can view the robot file on your local computer by clicking Show in Folder. To delete a cbot, select Delete from the cbot menu and click Yes to confirm.